Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new AI platform. From this platform you can get a very advanced features and multiple options for making video content or some reels and multiple short videos. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. It's not a financial project or not I will guide you about some financial advices. It's just a project that based on AI influence and give you a multiple opportunity for making a videos, unlimited contents and multiple thing you can get from this platform. So must join it and be the member of this project and work advance and grow with the community. As you can see, you can generate videos, images and multiple things you can see on screen. Create image, create video, motion control, edit image and multiple thing the projects will give you. And it's making a short time and give you a unique and high quality video. So without wasting your time, must join this project and make your own content from this platform and get more earning. And you can also post it on social media accounts to get earn money from these videos. And the platform helps you more to grow in future. So must join it. So we can scroll down. As you can see, many videos and multiple thing was available. Some are free and some are advanced. So if you want to make a high professional and many professional videos, so you can also buy the membership of this project to get an advanced things. And you can see like this skin enhancer. As you can see on screen, it enhance the skin. You can simply clear images and also earn money. So it's a very unique thing for you and taking a short time and give you a big result. So must join it. And these are multiple thing. As you can see on screen, mixed media option was also available. You have multiple opportunities like making pictures, 3D effects and multiple thing you can get from this project. As you can see, then you can see a visual effects. It's also a very big scale and this platform gives you in free of cost. And you can easily make these qualities pictures and these animations and effects. So must join it. And also you can earn money from these services and give you a unique thing. So must join it. And the link and detail of this project available in the description of video. As you can see, all AI generated images, videos and multiple thing was available. So must join it and be the member of this project. And also you can give services to people and earn money from this project. And this project gives you a multiple opportunity. Now you can see, first of all, images. So the images process was very simple. I will tell you how you can generate it. And you can make it from this platform. As you can see on screen, multiple option was available. Simply scroll down, you can enter your description and simply generate an image. I will simply enter you can see apple. So it's a simple fruit. And in free I will generate only two times. Simply I click on generate option and the image will be generated. So as you can see on screen, it takes some time and gives you a unique image. So it's a very easy and simple thing. So first of all, you can sign up your account. It's a easy method to making an account. I will make my account with my Google email. So simply I confirm it and make an account on this platform. You can also make account with these simple method. And your account will be created and it's totally free for you. Multiple thing and multiple opportunities are available. You can simply join it and get benefit from these opportunities. So it's a very unique thing for you. So don't skip it and be the member of this project. Simply I continue with my mail and then my account will be created on this platform. So it takes some few seconds. So you can also make it. It's a very simple process. If you have a mail, you can create your account with mail. And if you having a Google account, so simply create with that. So it's make some time, and then your account will successfully created. Then you can generate easily AI generated videos and multiple banners, pamphlets, and many effects, cinematics, clips, and multiple opportunity the projects give you. So must join it and be the member of project, so we can wait some seconds, so it's take some time, so please wait. Hopefully it will be complete soon, so then I will tell you many other future about this project and you can get benefit. So as you can see on screen, it takes some time, so must join it. And this project was totally unique and gives you a lot of multiple opportunities to get more benefits and get more opportunities. So it's a very simple method. I simply go back it. I will also tell you about how you can create account. Hope you will understand, so must join it and be the member of this project to get more updates and more opportunities from this project. So hope you will understand this thing, and then I will tell you about other features of this project, how it's work and how you can get benefits. Now you can see a video option, you can go to the video option and see how you can create a AI generated video from this platform. It's also very easy and simple method. You can see multiple opportunities are available, cinematic videos, mixed videos, and multiple opportunities are available. So which one you want to create, so simply select them and you can simply create it. Then you can see a edit option was also available, you can click on it, you can post edit your post or multiple thing from this platform and get more benefit. I will already tell you about how you can generate the images, videos. Character option was also available, you can face swap and character swap, video face swap, and multiple thing you can get from this platform. You can also having an option of cinema studio, you can make a cinematic video, simply enter the promote and create and generate the video. So it's also a very unique and easy method for you to making a short cinematic clips. And you can now get the motion control, you can see simple enter the video, select the time period and select the quality. If you want to generate motion effect on image, simply select on image, and if you want a video, so simply select video and generate it. So it's also give you free trial, sometime gives you 2 times, 5 times, but if you want to earn from this platform, so I will prefer you, but it's up to you. You can simply buy the subscription and get these advanced features, and you can simply sell on social media and multiple platform, sell these services and get more money from this platform. So it's a very unique thing and very powerful tool for you to earn money online. Now you can see AI influencer option was also totally free, simply click on it and you can see also AI influencer method, you can see on screen. You can go live and you can see characters, multiple things was available. You can generate a influencer, which character you want, simply select it and enter your description, and this will be happen on this AI influencer screen. So it's a very unique thing for you. So hopefully you will understand how you can manage this platform, how it's work, and the main purpose of this project. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Simply create your account with your Google account, or if you have an email, so multiple method of creating the account. And this platform gives you very good opportunities to making AI videos, images, and new content, and also help you to earn money for selling these services on other platform, and you can also get money. So must join it, be the member of this project. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting